Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Kit. If you want to improve your English speaking skills fast and confidently, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll share some simple and powerful tips for you. Number 1. First think in English instead of your mother tongue, Odia. I want to tell you, just stop translating from your native language. Start thinking in English for small things like what should I eat? Where am I going? I'm feeling tired. Let's watch TV. I'll do it later. Don't worry. That's a good idea. So all these. Consequently, what will happen? This will make your brain faster in English. Number 2. Speak daily. Practice speaking English every day. Even if you are alone, that doesn't matter. Just talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Don't worry about mistakes because the mistakes will help you learn. Number 3. Just learn useful sentences. Very useful sentences. Instead of memorizing difficult grammar rules, learn simple daily sentences like how are you? Where are you going? What are you doing? Let's go there. What will happen? Consequently, this will certainly improve your fluency quickly. You can speak English fluently. You can be a fluent speaker in English. Number 4. Just listen and practice. So what will you do? Just watch English videos, movies, listen to the podcasts. During watching or listening, just you pause and repeat what you hear. Certainly, this will improve your pronunciation and confidence. The last one, don't be afraid at all. The biggest problem is the fear. Speak without fear and just you make up your mind. No one is perfect. The more you speak, the better you become. In the Bhagavad, there is one thing said, अभ्यास बले शिशु जथा क्रमे शिखई कही कथा उद्यमे न हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथै न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः तो practice makes man perfect. So these are 5 easy steps to speak English clearly, fluently and easily. If you found this video helpful, just share, like and subscribe to my channel. It's for you. Comment below, I will speak English confidently. Just you comment below, I will speak English confidently. From today onwards, I will speak English confidently. Just you comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.